I would like to tell the Porvorkars, my dear Porvorkars, why I have come into the fray of entering politics and doing something good for my people. As trusting in God, most important for me, trusting in the Almighty, Creator of nature and abundance, I couldn't see a lot of things going wrong. So that's the reason I said I must step in, because I'm involved in doing social activities for the last 6 to 7 years. I've been working towards Cellular Komdidat for things going wrong here and there, and trying to help the people around with a lot of things. So I took a decision because I was getting good feedback of all the good work that I had done over the last 1.5 to 2 years. So that gave me a push to go as an independent candidate. So I can serve the people better. I don't have to take dictates from anybody, and I will do the best to my ability. The issues that I would like to take up are the decongestion of the highways, which is a total chaos today, with a lot of unplanned and haphazard development taking place. The second issue is the garbage issue, which is a very, very major disaster for Porvorim constituency. As you can see, garbage strewn all over the place, and there's no proper collection, no segregation at source. And the worst thing, it is being dumped in a particular area and it's being burnt, which is creating a lot of pollution, and it's bad for we human beings as well as animals. And the third issue that I would like to highlight is sanitation for a lot of housing colonies, where I've come to know on my door-to-door and on my activity that they don't have proper toilets and sanitation. So these are the three major issues, and a lot for the youth. Youth are the future. The youth of Porvorim and Goa need a lot to do in sports, in their careers, in their unemployment problems. So these are the things that I would like to raise if I'm given the chance to be the next MLA of Porvorim constituency. And with the blessings of my people, my Porvorkars, I'm sure if they want someone who's genuine, honest, they have me. I am there for them. I am there, as I have used the slogan, I am there, Wilber Ticlo for Porvorim constituency.